Mitesh, thank you very much for that. Let's focus now on some auto names on the show. Eicher Motors has been positively reacting to its Q3 numbers. On the other hand, Bharat is slipping in trade. What are brokerages making of these numbers? Sonia joins in for more. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. On Eicher Motors, the view is very optimistic. So let me start with Jefferies, where they say they have a buy with a target price of 4250, which is well above the current market price. They say that the EBITDA in this quarter rose to an all-time high, and Eicher Motors is on track to deliver its highest ever Royal Enfield volumes as well as EPS in the fiscal, that's in FY23. There are multiple tailwinds for Royal Enfield as well. There is a two-wheeler demand recovery, there's higher premiumization, there's also limited competition and low electric vehicle risk for Eicher Motors. Nomura has upgraded the stock, but they've cut their target price. They also mentioned that, the going is good, but one thing that a lot of brokerages talk about is the increasing competition. Remember, in this year, in 2023, there are two new entrants. There's the Bajaj Triumph that enters India. There's also Hero Harley, which is a big risk for Eicher Motors premium segment in Royal Enfield. Morgan Stanley has a target price of 35.53. They say that yes, the company has gained a lot of market share because of the good response to the new Hunter 350cc, but competition is one challenge and important to see how that plays out for Eicher. And Citi has a buy with a target price of 4400, better than expected margins for both Royal Enfield and the Volvo Eicher commercial vehicle business. Apart from that, Bharat is under pressure because brokerages are a bit cautious post the earnings, and the big problem really for Bharat is the losses in the overseas subsidiaries, which has gone up quarter on quarter. Nomura has downgraded the stock to a neutral. They have a target price of 992. They say there is a cyclical slowdown in the traditional businesses that is likely, that could be offset by a pickup in the growing verticals like defense as well as non-autos. The stock is also trading at about 14 times FY25 EV to EBITDA, which Nomura believes is fair value. Citi has a sell with a target price of 690. Although the management believes that there are multiple tailwinds for revenues in FY24, the overseas subsidiaries losses is something that continues to be an overhang on the stock. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Sonia. Well, Prakash Tiwan is with us. Prakash, what do you make of the Royal Enfield? The stock is flying away as we speak. Yes,